Hi everyone, if you need to hard reset your Tecno Pop 8 and remove the screen lock, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will show you step by step how to reset your device and regain access. Let's get started. Method 1. Using hardware buttons. Step 1. Power off the device. If the screen is locked and you cannot access it, press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds until the device turns off. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Once the device is off, simultaneously press and hold the power button and the volume down button until the Tecno logo appears. Step 3. Access the recovery menu. Release the button when the logo appears. You will see the Android recovery menu. Note that the touch screen will not work in this mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate. Step 4. Select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Use the volume down button to scroll to the option Wipe Data or Factory Reset and press the power button to select it. Step 5. Confirm the reset. A warning message will appear. Use the volume button to highlight yes and press the power button to confirm the action. Step 6. Reboot the device. After the reset is complete, you will return to the recovery menu. Select Reboot System now using the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. The device will restart and it will be reset to factory settings. Method 2. Using Settings menu if accessible. Step 1. Access Settings. Go to Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options. Step 2. Factory Data Reset. Select Erase All Data Factory Reset and follow the prompts to confirm. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.